Hi everyone, it's Mike here and welcome to AI Digital Marketing Edge and my latest video, 10 ChatGPT prompts seniors can use to start making money today. In my last video, we tackled the big question, can seniors really make money with ChatGPT? And the honest truth was, yes we can. But today we're moving from theory into action. I'm going to give you 10 real prompts that you can start using with ChatGPT today to create things people will actually pay for. These prompts are beginner friendly, easy to copy and paste, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard. If you can send a text message, you can use these prompts, and by the end of this video, you'll have at least one idea you could start working on tonight. Now here's the key thing about ChatGPT. Prompts are just how we talk to it. Think of it as giving instructions to a helpful assistant. The more specific you are, the better the results. So grab a pen and jot these down, or just pause the video when you need to. Let's dive into the list. First up is digital printables. Prompt. Give me 20 creative ideas for printable planners or checklists I can sell on Etsy. This is a goldmine because printables are things like meal planners, budget trackers, cleaning checklists, or even daily gratitude sheets. You design them once and sell them over and over as instant downloads. You don't need fancy software. Canva works perfectly for this. You could take ChatGPT's list of ideas, choose the ones you like, and create a simple design. For example, a weekly medication tracker could be a lifesaver for people managing multiple prescriptions. Once it's designed, upload it to Etsy or Gumtree, and you've got a product for sale 24/7. Second is recipe booklet. Prompt. Create 10 unique budget-friendly recipes for seniors that I could put into a mini cookbook. Here's where your life experiences shine. You can ask ChatGPT for recipe ideas and then adapt them with your own cooking knowledge. Imagine a small PDF booklet called 10 Easy Meals for Seniors on a Budget. You could give it away as a freebie to build an email list or sell it for a couple of pounds. And Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, or even Etsy are great places to test this without paying upfront fees. Third, we have Blog Starter. Prompt. Outline a 1,000-word blog post on easy home gardening tips for seniors. This one is about content creation. Blogs may sound old school, but they still generate income through ads, affiliate links, or even ebooks later on. If you enjoy gardening, ChatGPT can help structure the article, so all you need to do is fill in personal experiences, like how you deal with slugs or which tools are easiest on arthritic hands. That personal touch is what makes your content stand out. Seniors talking to seniors is powerful. Fourth up is Freelance Ad Copy. Prompt. Write 5 short, friendly Facebook post ideas for a local coffee shop promoting their new menu. This one is a real service you can offer. Small businesses often struggle with social media. With ChatGPT, you can create posts that are warm, inviting, and ready to use. You don't need to charge a fortune, just offer to write 5 or 10 posts for £20 to £30. That's a win-win, affordable for them and income for you. Number 5 is Resume Helper. Prompt. Help me write a CV for a part-time customer service job in clear modern language. Even if you're retired, you might want to pick up part-time work or help others do the same. CV writing is intimidating for many people, but with ChatGPT, you can turn old wordy resumes into clean modern ones. You could advertise this service on Gumtree, Fiverr, or local community boards. It's a fantastic way to earn while genuinely helping someone. Number 6 is Travel Guide. Prompt. Create a 1-week travel itinerary for seniors visiting London with daily activities and budget tips. Travel guides never go out of style. ChatGPT can give you the structure and you can add your own touches. For example, recommending free attractions, gentle walking tours, or senior discounts on transport. Package it into a PDF, call it London in 7 Days for Seniors, and you've got a product people would happily pay for. At 7, we have Email Writer. Prompt: write a short professional email for a florist to send to customers about a Valentine's Day special. Emails like these are the bread and butter of marketing, and most small businesses don't have time to write them. You can step in with ChatGPT's help. Offer to write monthly newsletters for a local business. You'd be surprised how many florists, bakers or shops would love that kind of help. At number 8, we have, and I'm not kidding, Joke Entertainment. Prompt: write 10 light-hearted jokes suitable for grandparents to tell their grandkids. Now this one is just fun. Humour has value. You can make a little ebook of jokes, start a YouTube Shorts channel, or even post them daily on Facebook to grow a following. Once you've got an audience, you can monetize through ads or small products, and let's face it, the world needs more laughter. At number 9 is social media content. Prompt: write 15 Instagram captions for a handmade jewelry business. Social media is a hungry beast. It constantly needs fresh content, and captions can be surprisingly hard to come up with. With this prompt, you can generate ready-to-go captions for any niche. Offer the service to crafters, local shops, or even charities. This is one of the quickest ways to start freelancing with ChatGPT. Finally, at number 10 is Ebook Outline. Prompt: outline a beginner's ebook called How Seniors Can Make Money Online with AI Tools. Finally, the big one, ebooks. An outline gives you the roadmap. Then you can expand on each chapter with your own knowledge and ChatGPT's help. Ebooks are digital assets. You write it once and you can sell it over and over again. And this topic, making money online with AI, is hot right now. Imagine having your own name on Amazon Kindle as the author of a helpful guide. That's an achievement and a potential income stream. Now let's be clear, these prompts don't magically make money while you sleep. You still need to put in some effort, whether that's designing in Canva, reaching out to businesses, or setting up an online listing. But here's the difference. Instead of staring at a blank page wondering what to do, ChatGPT gives you a head start. It removes the hardest part, getting started. And as seniors, we bring something special to the table. Decades of life experience. That wisdom, combined with AI speed, is a powerful combination. So there you have it. 10 prompts you can try today to start building digital products, offering services and creating income streams with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps support the channel, and please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button too, so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you're never too old to learn, to adapt and to create new opportunities. Do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again, and please call again soon. Goodbye.